What an excellent trading day today after the hiatus that the markets have been taking for a while now, especially the large cap consolidation which has played out ever since we made that historic move towards the 16,300 mark in trade just last week, and all the consolidation that has played out this week onwards. We finally broke out of the shackles and saw the Nifty clock in a fresh record for ourselves. In fact, it's been a fresh record close as well at 16,365 levels. Similar was the price action for the broader markets as well. Long bout of underperformance coming in month to date, and after the BSE clarification set out yesterday, you saw a good rebound coming in yesterday as well from the lows, and today too that price action was lapped up. In fact, you had the broader markets actually hold out in trade and a very strong market breadth as well. So just about 51 stocks which went home as losers, and a solid 114 managed to gain by as winners. Just to get you a sense of what the sectoral flavor as well was in the market. While telecom of course was the big mover, and you had a almost 2.5% to 3% kind of price action in the index alone. You had automobile, banks, capital goods which held out. Cement of course was a loser. You had chemicals contribute to today's rally. FMCG, finance, infrastructure, media, metals as a category was performing well. Real estate as well was a gainer. The underperformers were also pharmaceuticals, textile as well as telecom, which were also laggards. Now let's talk about the winning spree in the market and what was actually holding out. It was clearly power all the way. That space held out very smartly. So everything from a power grid to an NTPC to Tata Power to Torrent Power, these were all big winners in the space today. The entire power space was indeed a buzz. Not just power, but you had very good amount of price action coming in for technology as well. So TechM, TCS, Naukri, Emphasis, Mindtree, LTI, HCL Technologies, TechM, large cap, mid caps, all alike, they were all holding out very smartly in today's trading session. In fact, if I look at the flavor of the large cap IT performers, from a power grid to a TechM, Tata Motors, HCL Technologies, Titan, Tata Consumer, HDFC Life, ICICI Bank and L&T, they all held out very smartly. Amongst the broader markets though, it's important to point out what was actually leading the broader market recovery, which came by after quite a bit of while. So you had names like Bharat Forge after their numbers, 6.6% surge coming in on Bharat Forge. Power Grid, like I mentioned, held out very smartly. Apollo Tyres made a very good move, about a 5% uptick there. IRCTC, which came out with its earnings, that as well saw decent price action. The sticky point for the market today was pharma and pharma all the way. The kind of commentary that you saw from Dr. Reddy's after its numbers earlier last week, indicating towards pricing pressure for US generics. That was followed even by Lupin's performance. This is something that we highlighted yesterday as well. And similar was the kind of commentary that you had from Cadilla too. So Lupin, after a 7% downtick yesterday, fell another 7% today as well. Cadilla too was a loser. Aurobindo Pharma as well dragged down quite a fair bit. And Eicher Motors and Page as well. Ayesha ahead of its numbers later this evening. And Page Industries, which fell about almost 3%. Tomorrow morning, of course, the day is going to begin reacting to earnings from Tata Steel, from Hero Motocorp, as well as Eicher Motors.